हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सभी भाइयों को प्रेम, सभी बहनों को प्रेम। सो आज we will unbox and reveal the new Kotak credit card. It's a white credit card, the premium segment card from the Kotak Mahindra bank. Let's see, this is the package that we received from the bank, and let's open it. What we receive in this is the welcome guide, right? So this is the white credit card. Let's see, let's unveil it. Welcome to the world of white. So the credit card looks like this. Let's check what's more in the booklet. ये एक प्रीमियम कैटेगरी का क्रेडिट कार्ड है. Looks amazing. Let's see. Welcome to the world of white. All the features, the benefits that we receive are here in this booklet. So generally we receive the milestones and the vouchers for the premium brands, which are these: a curated brand list. Kotak White Credit Card brings within the clicking distance from Boss, Michael Kors. Additional passes that we receive exclusively for these brands. This is the joining benefit that we get. The Kotak White Credit Card starts off with the right foot. White pass worth 1500 on the spends of 30k in the first 60 days. And then we have a relaxed traveling. We get the priority pass as well. That's the inbuilt that we have. 4 complimentary launches visits every year. That's international. And 2 complimentary launch access for the domestic launch every quarter. Next, what we have is the toll-free premium service, right? Of course, there's more. Fuel surcharge waiver is 1%. Railway surcharge waiver is 1.8 to 2.5, and we get a complimentary add-on card. Last is this letter from the bank that we received.